Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what's inside my caboodle. This caboodle is actually full of my stationery and stickers and that kind of stuff that I like to send people. I don't know if you watch Heather Sparkles, but I do send a letter to her quite often, and I'll use some of these stickers for the envelope and on the letter. So let's get started. So I found all my caboodles at Goodwill Outlet. So this one just has this little, open it up, has a little mirror there. I don't have anything up here yet. Everything's just down here. So first, we got a little Shopkins. This is actually brand new. Got it yesterday. Haven't used them obviously. But yeah, got some cute stickers. I love Shopkins, as you may have noticed. So that's adorable. And what have we here? Another Shopkins stickers. 3D. These are super cute. I actually got this with a package that I ordered. Lisa Frank Puffy Shimmer stickers. Very cute. Mom got me a cute little handmade journal. I'm supposed to be writing down what I'm eating because I'm sort of on a special diet, but I haven't done that yet, so. And I've used the majority of these, but these are also puffy stickers that I got at the Dollar Tree. Little notebook that says Happy Thoughts. Num Num stickers that I got at Toys R Us. I love Num Nums as well. Got a little Hello Kitty. These are super adorable. Just a little booklet of those. More poopy stickers. Save the drama for your llama. Oh, it's adorable. So yeah, just some random little stickers. Some more puffy stickers. I really like puffy stickers. Some more. These are more like fruits and desserts and stuff. I haven't opened it yet, actually. It's a little Paris-themed notebook and pen. And here's a pink pen. I like to write when I write letters. There's a black pen. Here's a hot pink notebook that I like to write in. This was actually the notebook that I used for my wedding planning and such. What else do we have? Got some envelopes here from my wedding invites that I used to send people letters now. More Hello Kitty stickers. I have another notebook that says take out, and it has little pineapples. And then we have another Shopkins package of stickers. It's a part pack, so there's 8 sheets. So that's all that's included on that. So yes, this is currently what is in my pink caboodle. So if you would like to see more videos like this, please just comment down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a good day. Bye.